Hello friends, this is Usama Popatia from Unitech Marine Supply India. We are supplier of all kind of refurbished and tested hydraulic pumps and motors to seagoing vessel. We have been testing many hydraulic motors and come to know many interesting facts. Recently I tested one hydraulic motor in which I was getting required torque. So hydraulic mechanical efficiency was good but volumetric efficiency was not at all satisfactory. As you can see in the performance report, the first motor is struggling in rotation. Near to 150 bar pressure, the volumetric efficiency is near to 66%, and while going to 168 bar, the volumetric efficiency is just 57% only. As you can see in the graph, the blue line is indicating RPM and pink line is for flow. As pressure increase, RPM is going down despite flow being almost same. This is sign of poor volumetric efficiency motor. We made few changes in components of motor and again tested motor. Now you can see that RPM of motor is parallel to flow. So here volumetric efficiency is satisfactory as per standard mentioned in manual. Now we are rotating the hydraulic motor without any load just to see that everything is working fine. After that we will install it on our test bench to test this hydraulic motor on load. We are always in a strong view that the hydraulic motor should be tested on a load. Just by testing on a pressure you can't know the hydraulic mechanical efficiency, which is very much important. So we always check our hydraulic motor on the load so that we can know hydraulic mechanical efficiency as well as the volumetric efficiency as well. This is the first motor which we are testing and it has a very poor volumetric efficiency. So you will see that the RPM will slowly go down at a higher pressure. As you can see, the RPM of the motor is going down, so the volumetric efficiency is gone to 66%, and slowly the volumetric efficiency is going more down, while the hydraulic mechanical efficiency is satisfactory. Now what will happen? The winch will be able to lift the load, but the RPM will be down, so the movement of lifting and everything will be substantially slow. As you can see, this motor is having a very good volumetric efficiency and it is above 95%. The earlier motor had a volumetric efficiency of around 60% only, and that too it was at 168 bar pressure, and here we are at 205 bar pressure. Still the volumetric efficiency is around 95%. Even hydraulic mechanical efficiency is around 91%. So this motor will be able to lift proper load. It has a good torque and with a good RPM as well. So the speed of winch will be perfectly okay and as per the standard.